My people, this video where be say I won't play for na video where be say one journalist when he claim say when Buhari by say in dey there in cover the burial ceremony of our president Buhari, say in dey there. So I want to play this video but una watch everything where be say this man talk about the delete of Buhari. They say the person when he be say they also rock say no be him be Buhari. So my people, if you be say you never subscribe to this channel, make you hit the subscribe button for more Naija tori o. Oya, make una watch this video.
MORO. Hello. So the whole scenario is that President Muhammadu Buhari, he died on the 19th of February. On the 19th of February, please, those analysts, if you can take notes, take pen and your paper and note these things down. Note them down carefully. I'll be giving a specific things here, specific details right now. Okay, number one, President Muhammadu Buhari died on the 19th of February, the year 2017. He died in Newcastle, in Freeman Hospital, Newcastle. He died as a result of heart problem, heart disease, which the Nigeria presidency failed to disclose. On the 19th of February, I was in London by the special grace of God. I'm a journalist. I work with one of the Nigeria broadcasting station and one of the leading Nigeria broadcasting stations. So I covered the event in London. He died in Freeman Hospital, Newcastle. I was there. I covered the event. Then, you know, Muslim, they don't embalm people. So on the 20th of February, he was flew in to Saudi Arabia where he was buried. I was there live and I covered the event where Aisha Buhari put on white attire. I think you are with me.
Go ahead.
So where Aisha Buhari put on white attire and the children.
Can you pause a bit? Can you pause a bit? And let me remind Nigerians and the entire world that this event he said he covered. He have the video. He have the video.
I do.
Go ahead.
I have all the video. So the Nigeria Aisha was putting on white as a sign of mourning to her husband, who is the late President Muhammadu Buhari. Then the children, according to the Muslim tradition, were putting on black. I have the video, I have the photograph and everything. You understand? Then on the 23rd of February, I was in Ethiopia as a journalist. I moved around. So I was in Ethiopia where the African Union, the AU, hold a summit, a mini silence for late President Muhammadu Buhari on the 23rd of February, the year 2017.
Hold on, please, hold on. I know that interrupting you is I know this kind of thing is very, very difficult, but please, hold on. Now, you, after covering the event, you went to Ethiopia on the 23rd of April, on the 23rd of February
yes.
2017. And
yes.
you were there at the African Union Summit or whatever.
Yes.
You covered it with your own camera as a journalist, and
yes.
you have the video.
Exactly, I do.
Go ahead.
So I covered the events there where the African Union hold a mini silent for late President Muhammadu Buhari. So to show their last respect to the late President Muhammadu Buhari of the Nigeria government. Then on the 28th of February, which I think is the last day of February, Then, what was it called? Queen Elizabeth gave a condolence statement to the Nigeria government in respect of late President Muhammadu Buhari, and which went viral.
Yes.
So, all of these, the Nigeria government, led by late Abakari, and with the Kaaba, swept under the carpet for selfish and greed reasons. Then on the 2nd of March, Eric Joyce, the ex-British lawmaker, Eric Joyce, ex-British lawmaker, he issued a statement, that a condolence statement to Nigeria for the loss of her president. Are you with me, sir?
Yes.
Then they swept it under carpet, and the man got angry and came out to say that President Muhammadu Buhari is dead. If President Muhammadu Buhari if they think he is lying, that they should come out to challenge him. You understand what I'm saying now?
Yes, yes,
that they should come out to challenge him in the court of law, that he will come out with every evidence to prove that Muhammadu Buhari is dead. As I talk to you, since 2017, till this minute, nobody from the Nigerian government all across the nations of the earth came up to challenge Eric Joyce, the ex-British lawmaker. That went by. Then on April 17th, one American journalist by name Mark Smith, he came up to say that the corruption going on in Nigeria is unbearable, that he can only imagine how the Nigerians are surviving in that country, that there is corruption everywhere. You understand? So we just talked over all this. But what actually prompted me to come up to this tonight is, one, the Nigerian youth have been suffering 60 years of independence, 60 years of suffering and smiling, and yet the government is taking them for granted. Now the Nigerian youth, they came up to say, no, enough is enough. We don't need this anymore. Let's put an end to this. All what they could do was to send the military. They think maybe I am lying. Let Aisha Buhari, the wife of the late President Buhari, come up to tell me that the imposter parading himself as the Buhari is her husband. If I am lying,
okay, hold it there.
My people, from this video una hear now, what una think? What are your thoughts? Me, my own thoughts be say, this journalist wey be say he play this video, this voicing, for me na voicing be this. Since he dey claim say he get the actual video, he for just show us everything. Now which one be the one be say he come dey talk, after I talk finish say he get video? You for kuku play the video, make the whole world see am. Me as I dey here, so I believe in when you dey talk, show us the video, make we take this our two korokoro eyes, make we take see am, so that we go believe. So this whole thing go come be like say we know they talk the right thing. So my people, I just say make I play this video, make I bring am, make una see how una see this matter. What are your thoughts? Anything wey be say you feel about this video, just drop your comments for comment section, because me, I no too believe this whole video matter until the person go come out. I no believe this voicing until go come and show us video evidence. Now that time me I go believe. Now so I say am, my people,